Hey there, is your Gmail running slow or acting up? Let's walk through how to clear the cache in Gmail to keep it running smoothly. Since Gmail doesn't have an inbuilt cache clearing feature, you'll need to clear your browser's cache. Here's how to do it. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on this icon at the top right corner. Here you'll be seeing many options. Simply click on delete browsing data. Here choose a time range, choose all time and click on delete data. It may take some time, so wait for a few minutes. After clearing the cache, reload the Gmail by refreshing the page or logging back in. Click on the refresh reload page right here and log in again by typing your email and password. And that's it. Clearing your browser's cache can help resolve performance issues and help Gmail running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.